Picture this, mamas, crystal clear turquoise water, a private yacht chartered in Gustavia Harbor, and you, relaxing in an oversized linen shirt while nursing your little one in absolute paradise. Taking a tropical vacation to the French West Indies with a nursing baby is not only possible, but it can be the chicest getaway of your life. If you thought breastfeeding meant kissing luxury getaways goodbye, think again. Today, we are spilling the tea on the ultimate guide to breastfeeding in St. Barts so you can keep your milk supply thriving, look effortless, and travel like a total VIP. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to destination for high-end travel and empowered motherhood without compromising on your aesthetic. Today we are breaking down everything you need to know about doing St. Barts with a baby in tow. First up, let's talk transit and keeping that liquid gold safe. Most travelers connect to St. Barts via San Juan or St. Martin. If you want a stress-free experience, booking a semi-private flight on Tradewind Aviation out of San Juan is an absolute game-changer. You bypass standard terminal chaos, breeze through TSA, and avoid melting in the heat. For keeping your milk safe, pack a bougie chiller like the Sears Chill inside your designer diaper bag to keep your pumped ounces ice cold for over 20 hours. When navigating the island, leave your bulky stroller at home. The steep hills and narrow sidewalks mean a compact, ultralight luxury stroller that folds directly into the overhead bin is worth every single buck. Next, let's talk island culture and feeding on the go. Because St. Barts is a French territory, the local attitude toward feeding your baby is delightfully relaxed, respectful, and completely natural. Whether you are lounging under a private cabana at Nikki Beach, dining at Eden Rock, or enjoying the calm waves at St. Jean Beach, discreet breastfeeding is widely accepted everywhere. Pack breezy, high-end linen button-downs and chic nursing swimwear so you can nurse on demand. The Caribbean heat and tropical breeze can dehydrate you fast, which can quickly drop your supply, so hydrate constantly with French mineral water and keep plenty of diapers and mineral sunscreen stocked in your beach tote. Finally, customize your accommodations for total pumping luxury. Before you even touch down on the island, contact the concierge at your 5-star resort or private villa to ensure your suite includes a dedicated mini freezer for your milk stash. If you plan on taking a day trip or sailing around the island, cordless wearable pumps are an essential travel hack. You can discreetly pump while cruising the coastline without hunting for an electrical outlet. Traveling with a nursing baby to the world's most glamorous island is completely seamless with the right gear and prep. If you love these luxury hacks, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below with your dream vacation spot with your baby. Thanks for tuning in to Milky Way Travels, and safe travels, mamas.